back to another video. Today we're gonna have a little car meet with a team. Right now we're just on the way to get a car wash, and we're gonna meet up with Honda mods and a couple more Accords, and I'll try to get some clips as much as possible later. And this is just gonna be a short ride out, and stay tuned. So I just got here to the car wash. It's so packed, and I'm just hoping I don't stay here for that long because I'm kind of running late. And well, for some of you that know, I live in New York, and we just had a snowstorm a couple days ago, I believe, last week, and then the snow just melted. So everybody started getting car washed just to get rid of the salt from the snow, and yeah. Okay, that was such a hassle in the car wash, but the car's all clean now. Well, not 100%, but yeah, right now we're on the way to Honda mods. We're gonna meet up with them, and we'll see what he's working on today. And yeah, all right, we just got here. We got another red Accord, auto cards. We're working on changing the spark plugs. Got it white with a palette of green, and another one red and Alright guys, finally rolling out. There's gonna be 6-7 Accords that's rolling, so I'll try to get some clips with that, and see you guys in a few. This war over here. Oh my God, I'm the last one. We're here, guys. Finally. Right over there. I don't even know if you can see them. But yeah, we're here. I feel like I'm so unorganized with today's video. Now we're just gonna have to look for the team. What happened? Went to the wrong way? Okay. Damn. So I got to see any black car. I got two reds. Two reds. Oh, my bad. Oh, shit. It was good, bro. The black. There. We got Flacco. We got the VP. Got an accurate TLX, I believe. I don't know. There's mine. We have a couple more people coming in. Well, solid team, my guys. We're right here. Pretty cold, but it's good. All right, we'll try this again. So we have this. A little back parts. We got a TLX. Got a wide body. I think you got spacers in here. It's way too cold in New York right now. We got a carbon fiber wrap. The V1s, the rims, the V3s, carbon fiber lids, you know, spoiler. This one's looking clean. If you see this on the highway, do not underestimate it. It's sleepy. That is two lime green highlights. The V3s. Woo. And he's running with Ferrara, I believe. That's Ferrara. Ferraras 2021, I believe. Got an all black in here, a couple reds. And this one has straight pipe and a capless down pipe. It's pretty loud. Oh. She got everything all aired out. Sexy. Damn.
What'd she do? She go down?
Again. Damn. Look at the gap. Oh my god. Shit is OD low. Bro, I could even put my finger in here. Damn, this is a nice setup. Damn, no one wants some bags. Damn. Oh, Supreme and everything. Supreme. So, bags is Supreme.
So,
all cars Supreme.
Dino and Knockout, Flacco, they went to.
Ooh, nice red interior. All Supreme and everything. Damn. Damn. All Supreme and everything. Oh, you got a K&N one. Fucking nice.
Go down.
I think it's going down. Woo! Yeah. Man. It goes inside the fender too. I was like, damn.
Yo. You be cutting up on the highway? Huh?
Damn, look at this, guys. Got a red Oakman, fabrication lid, purple headlight. This is GNC wheels. Yeah. Carbon fiber side skirts. Oh, I want one of those. I want. Look at the Akasaka rear diffuser. Look at that. That one want a blue one. That one want a blue one. Damn. So I just left the meet. So what I just recorded, it's like only a few of the people that's part of the team, and there's gonna be more people, but it's getting cold, and I couldn't really record that much because my hands was freezing. I tried to get as much as possible, but yeah, I had fun talking with the people and with the team, with the members. Saw other people's build and gave me some ideas of what I'm gonna do next. So I guess I'm just gonna end my video here, and I'll see you guys next time.